Imagine this, you wake up, check your phone, and realize your bank balance just dropped overnight. Not because of a big purchase, not because of fraud, but because of 100 tiny invisible leaks, subscriptions, coffees, small Amazon buys, eating your paycheck alive. Here is the truth. The average American now spends over $1,200 a month without realizing where that money goes. And if you think you're tracking it mentally, you're already losing. But in 2025, we've got powerful AI-based apps that can expose every hidden leak in your wallet and help you save thousands without changing your lifestyle. So today, I'm revealing 5 powerful apps that will change the way you manage money forever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your financial life. Stay with me, this might be the 10 minutes that finally fix your finances. Welcome to Money Mind USA, the channel where we help you master money, build wealth, and take control of your financial future. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because every week we drop actionable finance strategies that actually work in real life. Let me start with a quick story. A few months ago, I worked with a client named Sarah. She made good money, around $6,000 a month, but was always broke by the 20th. When we ran her spending analysis, we found 17 active subscriptions, multiple delivery app fees, and dozens of microtransactions under $5. When we added them up, it was $870 per month in forgotten expenses. That's over $10,000 a year gone. And here's the crazy part. Most people watching this right now have the same problem. You're not bad with money, your system is just invisible. That's why I tested dozens of spending tracker apps this year. And here are the top 5 for 2025 that are actually worth your time. First up, app number 1, Monarch Money, the all-in-one financial command center. Monarch Money isn't just a budgeting app, it's your personal CFO. It connects all your bank accounts, investments, credit cards, and even crypto wallets, giving you a real-time snapshot of your entire net worth. Here is what makes it powerful in 2025. Monarch's new AI. Spending Coach automatically identifies patterns in your behavior. For example, if your fund spending spikes 20% this month, it sends you a personalized message. You've spent $92 more than usual on entertainment. Consider pausing one streaming service. Simple, smart, effective. The pros? It has beautiful dashboards, syncs with thousands of institutions, and allows for custom financial goal tracking. The cons? It is subscription-based at $14.99 a month and is best suited for users who already have multiple income streams. My verdict: perfect for professionals or investors who want full control without spreadsheets. Next, we have app number 2, Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, the subscription slayer. Rocket Money is for people like Sarah and maybe you who lose money quietly through subscriptions. It scans your bank accounts, finds every recurring charge, and shows you a list of hidden expenses you forgot existed. But the magic? Rocket Money can actually cancel subscriptions on your behalf. Yes, you click one button, and they handle the calls and cancellations. In 2025, they've added a new feature called the Smart Savings Vault. It automatically saves small amounts from your checking into an FDIC-insured vault based on your spending habits. The pros are clear: it finds hidden subscriptions, offers one-tap cancellation, and provides AI-powered saving suggestions. On the downside, some features are paywalled under their premium plan, and it's not ideal for advanced investors. My verdict: ideal for everyday Americans who just want to stop wasting money and save effortlessly. Coming in at number 3 is Copilot Money, the AI budgeting assistant. If you want a budgeting experience that feels smart, Copilot Money is next level. It's built with machine learning that literally learns your spending behavior. For example, after 2 weeks, it starts predicting what you will spend next week and warns you in advance if you're going over budget. That's like having a financial therapist in your pocket. And the visuals? Stunning. Graphs, color-coded categories, and automatic transaction labeling make it easy to understand exactly where your dollars go. The pros: it has predictive budgeting, excellent integration with the Apple ecosystem, and is very privacy-focused. They don't sell your data. The cons? It's for iPhone users only, for now, and has a subscription fee of $6.99 per month. My verdict: best for visual learners and tech-savvy users who want AI-driven insights. Our 4th app is YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB is not new, but it's timeless. And in 2025, its user base exploded by 40%, because people realized it as not just about tracking, it is about changing your behavior. YNAB teaches a rule-based method. Give every dollar a job. Embrace your true expenses. Roll with the punches. And age your money. It sounds simple, but the mindset shift is massive. Once you start telling every dollar where to go, your spending becomes intentional. Its pros are its proven system for financial discipline, a real community with educational resources, and perfect syncing across devices. The cons? There is a bit of a learning curve. It can take 1 to 2 weeks to master, and it has a $14.99 monthly subscription. My verdict: ideal for families or couples ready to take full control of their finances for the long term. Finally, app number 5. Pocket Guard, the simplest tracker that just works. Sometimes you don't need graphs, AI, or psychology, you just need clarity. Pocket Guard tells you one simple number: how much can I safely spend today? It tracks your income, bills, and goals, then gives you a single safe-to-spend figure. It's minimalist but surprisingly accurate. The pros: it has a super simple interface, a powerful free version, and a quick setup. The cons are its limited analytics, and it's not really built for investors or advanced users. My verdict: perfect for beginners or students who want a clean, no-stress budgeting tool. Here's the truth: no app will make you rich. But the right system, combined with awareness, can stop you from bleeding money. In 2025, money management isn't about working harder. It's about seeing clearly. Because when you see where your money goes, you finally control your financial story instead of being controlled by it. So here's what I want you to do next. Pick one of these apps and use it for the next 7 days. Then come back to this video, drop a comment, and tell me how much you discovered you were overspending. You'll be shocked. This is MoneyMind USA. Stay smart, stay wealthy, and I'll see you in the next video.